To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another FIFA Trading 101 video. Today we're going to be talking about how do I know that there's a high or low risk investment. Now, it's really simple in my opinion. It's just that if you're gambling a lot into something, you know that there's a high risk investment. If the gamble is lesser, there's a lower risk investment. Now, I know for some of you that are getting new into trading and investing, this could be a bit of a hustle to understand. You probably don't know how to specify some specific high or low risk investments. What is more gambling? What is less gambling? Now, it's really just a matter of getting into trading and investing and trying more stuff, and then you'll get the feel of it, in my opinion. Like, there's also some part of intuition that I think that goes with it, but it could be learned completely easily, in my opinion. The only thing that you need to know is get ahead of the market. For example, we know that there's a promo coming up. Whatever I'm going to be probably investing in the next span of days, let's say the weekend league ends, the Sunday is the low point of FIFA 20 as the market goes. I still don't know if that's going to be the low point. Just a disclaimer, we still have to see the patterns, how they will be in the next year of FIFA. But actually, if that's the low point, we want to invest in it, but we know a promo is coming up on Friday. Now, here's the catch. You know that there's a higher risk of investment because the promo could bring the market down. The promo usually brings the market down, but if that's not going to be a good promo, the market will probably rebound. The low point would be probably Sunday or going into Wednesday before the rewards are out or anything like that. And then if the promo is not good enough, the market would rebound and go up in value as well. So that's the high risk investment that you took to get the coins, to get the profit. Now, the low risk investment in this example would be you would wait for the promo to get out, and if the market rebounds, if the promo is not that good, you don't go and buy those cards because they went out. You wait for other cards in the next 3 days that the promo proceeds into the next week, as the promo supplied cards will probably be the ones that you can invest in. Of course, the return will be lesser because you go into less risky investments, but when you go in less risky investments, when you know that when those cards are going to be out of packs, they're going to be higher than they are right now, then you're into the safe risk investment strategy. Whilst if you're in really high risk investment strategy, you would go and buy those cards before that. Now, I just provided an example. There are tons of examples of high and low risk investments that you can make, but how to assess them, how to locate them, I do believe is more of a thing where you need to understand the market. I will be providing a lot of videos throughout the year. Make sure to subscribe. I'm always going to provide high risk or lower risk investments as well. Going to talk about them. If you're in my Patreon, I always put sort of a check mark, whether is it a high, a medium, or a low risk investment, so you guys know how to act on it. If you want to go in, if you want to make certain coins off of some specific investments, that's going to be on my Discord through my Patreon. If you want to support this channel, just check it down in the description. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I just provided a simple example on what I see as a high or what I see as a lower risk investment. There are tons of examples as well. Ask me anything and I'm going to be sure to try and answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!